My process of creating vector art is through sketching, tracing, line artwork, coloring, shadowing and highlighting. Ideally, sketching is done on raster applications such as Krita, Corel, and Photoshop. Sketching is where the most important step, since it will define the overall look of your artwork, even though it will be disregarded or deleted after all the process is done. Sketching inside Photoshop. First, create a new document of portrait with 1920 by 1080 72px. Make sure you are using brush with color gray on foreground. I am using my Wacom tablet, but if you prefer to use your mouse you can do so. Since you already saw the final output to the thumbnail, but for me while recording the video, I have no idea what it will look like, but for me, I am visualizing a hand that reaching or screaming for help, came to life triggered to its surroundings. After you are done, you can save your sketch either JPEG or PNG format and drag or import your sketch file to Illustrator. Resize the file as your heart desire. We are going to convert the file to template by double-clicking the layer and selecting template, so now our sketch is 50% dimmer. We convert the file to template because we don't want to get confused to our sketch into the vector we are going to create. Next, we're going to create a box. This will stand for my border to clearly visualize our artwork. Now we're going to resize our artboard and set the stroke to black and the fill to none. After tracing your sketch, we have an output that looks like this. We can now convert to Live Paint by selecting the Convert bucket tool. Now, we can clean up all the unnecessary lines. If you want to edit or add a line to the Live Paint, just create a new path and select both the new path and the Live Paint and click the Merge or Live Paint. Now, it is added to the Live Paint. In coloring, it is the process of putting colors into our outline artwork. Now, I have color on my right side that I'm going to use to my artwork by using the color bucket tool. Next is we are going to add a line artwork. This is a process of adding a custom stroke to our artwork. Because my subject is very dull without a background, we're going to create an unusual environment. When moving your subject, be careful, you might left behind. In this part, one decided to swap the color between the hand and its background to make it proper, and adding the background color of a gradient and mesh color. shadowing and highlighting. This is the process of giving our art more depth. By adding indirect shadows and light inside the shape of our artwork,